It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2026 F-350 Lariat TREMOR in Agate Black with black interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This has beautiful running boards that are power deployed, as well as the cab step on the side and tailgate step in the rear. You also have a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine, 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Many other features, and you'd like to see more? Stay tuned. As well, you can take this beauty out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. It's a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel, V8 automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Door, and you've got the B&O badging for your audio system, power locks, windows and mirrors, and memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You've got the Super Duty badging on the all-weather mats, and you've got these nice fully reclined seats. And as well, off to the side here, you've got your electronic parking brake, power pedals, high mount light. You also have the ability to release the tailgate by double clicking. You can also do that on the fob. LED side view mirror spotlights, lighting controls, and then you have the running board and the grab handle. That just makes it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel, we have lane keeping and cruise control, volume, your menu, and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start. So foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and we're gonna push the engine start stop button. And then on your dash, any important messages, the odometer reading. You also have a heads up display, which will show you the speedometer, what your speed you're doing, but also it'll read the signs. So it'll tell you what the speed limit is. You've got the time and the temperature outside. And then we've got our B&O badging up here with a little bin. And then we have our exhaust brake, hill descent. And then you've got your big display screen, a little mini sidebar here. We're in settings because it's highlighted. You just slide through and touch on what you want. If we went into audio, then we would go into our sources, get a touch on there, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. Now, if we want the navigation map to come up when we choose our destination, you go in there. We can go into our settings, again, slide through, and our features, we've got our owner's manual in there, onboard scales, Pro Power on board, the power deployed running boards, and just again slide through for what you want, touch on it. And this is also where we're going to see our backup camera view. So I'm going to put us in reverse. There we go. And there's the center line, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. There we are in space. I'm going to put this back into park. And then down below we have our volume and tuner. Now here's the camera view. We're not in gear. This is just giving us a view before we go anywhere. And this is the forward view. I'm going to hit it again. Hazard lights, traction control, that volume and tuner if I didn't mention that already. You also have your dual climate control and your heated seats, heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, heated steering wheel, nice at this time of year. Front and rear defrost, there's your fan, AC and max AC. And then down below we have a wireless charging pad, USB-C and USB. Still have a room to put things. You have your Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, your 4x4 rear locking differential, and this is the trail turn assist. So what happens with that is that the rear driver wheel locks and the rear passenger wheel has traction, and that allows you to do very tight turns or even a donut. And then we've got our drive mode. So we're just going to dial through and you're going to see the different options. So there's normal. Then we have slippery. I'm going to the right. We have off-road, and then rock crawl. We're going to go into 4x4 for that. We're going to go left now. And I'm just going to show you, this is a little tow haul, the little trailer, and then we have our Leaf, which is eco. So depending on the road conditions, depending on the weather, whatever you're doing, you're towing, whatever you have to do, you can go into different drive modes. So let's do the trail turn assist, and you see it says you have available in 4L or 4H. So I'm just going to push it again, and now it is off. There we go, and there, all done. Just so you know. And you have cup holders, bins, the armrest opens up, and you got a nice little bin in there. There's a light in there, lots of room. You got USB outlets. Let's put that back in. Off to the side we have our 12 volt, our 120, and then we have 2 glove compartments. Lower one's locking, the other one releases from here. Grab handle in the body, and then you've got an auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, our lighting controls, sunglass holder. We have a power sliding window in the rear, upfitter switches, so you can add things like a winch, a snowplow, whatever you want. And then we have this power moonroof and screen. So that was a screen. I'm going to do the moonroof. So the buttons are right beside each other and they have icons on them so you can tell what's going on. So there's the front, that's as far as it goes. The back is fixed, and then we can close it again and we can put the screen forward and backwards as we wish if you want more or less lighter air. And there you go, we're ready to head out. Wheels, mud flaps, power deployed running boards, and a body color door handle with intelligent access. What that means is when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. And driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. Actually, it's not capless, it's diesel. And I'm just going to open it up for you. There you go. And you also have these nice side body cab steps, the TREMOR badging, and in the rear you've got the LED light to the right of the handle, backup camera up above, and 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. As well, you can double click your fob and power down your tailgate. Nice spray in liner, and you've got outlets located here, tie downs in all 4 corners. Got another one over on this side. I'll just lean in so you can see. There you go. And you've also got this measuring stick, both metric and imperial. And then you've got a tailgate step. You just press that, pull it out, and that just gives you a nice step to get in and out. And that yellow button pulls out to create a handle, giving you some stability. And then when you're ready, you just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. And speaker in the door and the B&O badging for your audio system. You have power windows and grab handle in the body. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split, and you just lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position, and you have this nice collapsible bin, all-weather mat on the floor. And let's pull the tab. It'll bring the seat right down. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and an armrest with a couple of cup holders. And you also have a cover for the front as well. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. There's cup holders, heated seat controls back here, USB, the air vents on each side, the 120 volt. You've got a twin panel moonroof, grab handle on the driver's side, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. You have the nice 5.5-foot box lined, and it has the gooseneck prep fifth wheel prep package in it. You've got mud flaps, a tailgate step, and you're seeing those side cab steps as well. Privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors, has 360 camera as well. You have blind spot information system and the integrated turn signal, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.